Ladies and gentlemen, on tonight's entertainment. Are you afraid that people think you're boring? Some people just light up the room when they enter. And some people, whatever they do, they bore the shit out of people. If you don't want to have horrible dates and bad review meetings, go ahead and watch this video and be the fantastic person that you are inside. My name is Sri Dutta and I am an MBA from IIM Bangalore. I am a serial experimenter and I talk about productivity and positivity. If you have not subscribed yet, you are missing practical ways to be more productive. My first job was in a production plant. I was in my early 20s and the rest were much older than me. The problem was I had to make them work. It was not an one-man job. Whatever I did, it was like, you are a young kid. So what if you went to an Ivy League college? And gradually, I was a lot disappointed. My job started to feel boring and I was beginning to lose the taste of it. And one day, my boss asked me, Dutta, get me a report of the comprehensive production line and identify 5 bottlenecks. I was like, my god, this is difficult. But it had to be done. Gradually, when I started to understand and digging deep stuff about it, things started to feel exciting. I started talking to people about their jobs, things that they were excited to talk about. Again, I felt the talk interesting, and that was the beginning of a very fulfilling relationship. So, here is the way number one, be interested in people and what they care about. For them, you will be an interesting person, my boy. Way number two, we all hate the serial cribber. The serial cribber hates the weather, hates his boss, hates his minister, hates me, hates you. He walks with his shoulders crouched, talks less, smiles never, and even has the coldest handshake. He is a bloody White Walker from Game of Thrones. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Life up everything. Smile broadly, have a firm handshake, be a good morning kind of a guy rather than okay, good morning. People are always interested in awesome people. Give me a thumbs up, you awesome guy. Yes, you, the awesome person with the phone watching Sri Shubhadatta channel. Way number 3. I hate people who bring bad news. Hey people are getting fired. Hey, the taxes are up. Hey, the boss is angry. Hey, he got divorced. Hey, he lost the match. Bad news sucks. Never be the sucker who has nothing to share but some evil things. Always be the guy who has good news to share. Be the guys with ideas. Be the guy who says the boss, I see a challenge and there is an opportunity. Gentlemen, sprinkle some swag and go slay the world. You are bloody awesome. Let me summarize it quickly. To make people interested in you, number 1, be interested in people and what they care about. Number 2, life up everything, smile broadly. Number 3, always be the guy who has the good news. Gentlemen, be loud, alive and awesome. I come up with great ideas every day. Subscribe to my channel to bring out the Tony Stark in you. Cheers.